welcome to the Instructional Design Technology. This video is part of Indoor Cell Planing course. Hello, my name is Daniel. I am a senior consultant here in IDT trainings, and on this video I will show you how to calculate the number of sites that is necessary to cover a certain geographical area. So this is our objective for today, to calculate the number of sites to cover a geographical area. This is a kind of concept that we will use also in the indoor cell planing, is the basis. So this is that I will show to you. To achieve this, we have to see first the maximum pet loss calculation and later on the link budget calculations. Well, for the maximum pet loss, we will have to do this equation that's showing to us what is the received power that we must have given a certain number of parameters that we will use on our system. So the reception power is equal to the transmission power, that is a issue of hardware. So this is, since you are doing this project, you will know this value. There is also the summatory of gains on the system. For example, antenna gain. That is something about, let's say, 17 dBs. We have also the summatory of total losses on our project, and inside this we will have the maximum pet loss. That is our interest here, to calculate this value. This is what we're gonna do. And also we have to consider the margins of the project. There is no RF project without any margins. This is just to cover the normal quantity of variables that we have on our process. For example, one should consider if the user is inside home or outside home. One should consider, let's say, the interferences that we're gonna happen in our system. So all those things must be considered here. The point here is, what is this value? We must to calculate this value, and we can do this by using this equation here. The total reception power is equal to 10 log. This is the density of the noise on the system. This is the bandwidth, and all this together, let's say it is the noise power. But together with this, we have to consider this SNR, signal to noise ratio required. This is a quality of our system, is determined by this value, and also the noise figuring. There is a concept regarding the quality of the receptor. This is a hardware specification. Okay. So by doing this, look, we have all those things here, but we must to calculate this one. This is the only thing that I don't know until now. So having all the other parameters, we can calculate this one. After this, I'm going to the link budget. So we have already our maximum pet loss. With this, we calculate the cell radius using a propagation model. After this, with this propagation model, we can turn the maximum path loss on a cell radius. And using geometry, we can calculate the site area using one of those equations here. It depends on the number of the sectors of each site. And so when we had the site area, we can calculate the site number by simply dividing the total area to cover by this site area, okay? Well, this is all for now. Thank you. Hope that you enjoy. See you next time.